Welcome back, this is Colin again. In all the other demos in this series, apart from the WordPress demo, it's been showing you how to create and customize your data sets. So this one is going to show you how to embed a data table from CloudTables into your own web pages. With the WordPress, that was made easy with the WordPress plugin. That's specific to WordPress, of course. So this is going to show you how to do it serverless. Now, serverless isn't recommended because it can expose your API key to the world. So if you're on the open internet, then it means anybody can go onto your page and edit your records, which may not be what you want. But if it's just in a home setup perhaps and you want some table there, then this is a fine way to go. So this is going to be the first demonstration, and then the second one I'll show you how to do it through PHP. So this one here is the serverless. So we're going to use the products table that we created in the import demo. So on the embed tab, you've got all the different technologies that we currently support. So curl, Java, .NET, for example. So we're going to go across to serverless. So it's as straightforward as grabbing this code here and plopping it into a HTML file. So I'll create a new one here. HTML. We'll be classy and open this with WordPad. And then you just paste in the code from the embed tab that we just saw here. So what I will do, I'll show you how it'll be placed. So this is the first tag here. Second, paste that again, and we'll do a third so you can see how the text lays out. The reason why I've done two is so I can show you how you can make it read-only or read-write on the same page. So now we need to get the API keys. So if they are in the security page, they're also linked from the embed page here. So you get given two by default, one read-write, one read-only. So I'll grab the read-write one first of all. Go back to our demo. All you do is just replace these lines here. So this is the API key, so this authenticates the URL. You can, on the client ID, you can give this a name. So what we'll say here is we'll say read-write user, read-only user. We expect this really to be tied into your own system, so this would be the user ID or the username of the person viewing the page. So very simple. Save that file now. We go back to Windows Explorer. You'll see on this page we've got the two cloud tables. So this top one here, it's got the first, second, third. So those are those tags that I put into the file. First, second, third. So the first one you can see is fully editable. Whereas the second table is purely read-only. So as I said, you wouldn't really want to do this on the open internet because it just means that anybody can come along and modify your data, which is probably not what you want. But for purposes of this demonstration, it's a good introduction to getting these cloud tables into your pages. So that user that I mentioned, if we go back to our data set, go to history, you'll see the all accesses are logs. You've got the read-only user and read-write user. So that's the very simple embed onto your page, and the next demo will be showing you how to do that with PHP.